A shocking revelation that sparked widespread attention online and questions Nigeria's justice system disclosed that a young man named Segun Olowokere was sentenced to death 14 years ago for allegedly stealing a fowl. Nigerian actress and TV host Biola Adebayo recently interviewed the elderly parent of Segun Olowokere. The heartbreaking interview shared on her program Talk to B revealed that Segun had been on death row since his arrest. His parents, who are now aged and devastated, shared their pain over their son's situation. In the video, Segun's parents begged for help as he is their only child. After the interview went viral, the Osun State Governor Ademola Adeleke stepped in to investigate the case. In a statement signed by the governor's spokesperson Olawale Rasheed on Tuesday evening, said governor ordered the state attorney general to intervene in the matter and ensure that the young man is listed for prerogative of mercy before the end of the year. The statement reads, "I have received the report of a case of a young man reportedly sentenced to death by hanging in Osun State for stealing a fowl. Consequently, I have directed the Attorney General and Commissioner for Justice, Osun State, to commence full investigation into the matter and initiate processes to grant prerogative of mercy to the young man. Osun is a land of justice and equity and must ensure fairness and protection of the sanctity of lives. I assure members of the public that this matter is receiving my direct attention with every sense of urgency." Also attached to our response to the matter, the statement reads, "Governor Adeleke has promised to review the case, raising hope that justice will finally be served after so many years." Biola Adebayo expressed gratitude to the governor for showing concern and working towards securing justice for Segun. The story has sparked reactions online, with many Nigerians criticizing the harsh punishment for such a minor offense. One viewer commented, "This is so sad. He didn't kill anyone. Why is this happening?" Another said, 14 years for stealing a chicken. This is unjust." Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for more updates on this developing story.